Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. How you going? So right now, as you can see, my car is undergoing a software update. I just wanted to do a little test to see what you can actually do while the car is updating itself. So let's go through these icons here. Can't go through the settings. Can't touch the music. Can't press that button. Can't put the seat warmers on. Can't fiddle with the air conditioning. Can't fiddle with the demisters. Can't touch the volume. Can't lock the car. Can't fiddle with the charge settings. Can't fiddle with the driver profile. Can't press the Tesla icon. Can't press the software update icon. Can't fiddle with the Wi-Fi. Can't fiddle with the Bluetooth. Up here on the dash control, can I open my sunroof? I can open the sunroof. That's good to know. You can see there, it's just opening up now. Okay, so you can do that. You can shut it again. This is the volume button normally, so that's not doing much. You can fiddle with the volume up here, like that, but the music's not on anyway. Can you do voice control? Play Oops, I Did It Again by Britney Spears. Alright, let's see what happens. See, it searches, but you can't touch the touchscreen, so it's kind of pointless. You can press enter. No, you can't press enter. Okay, you can't press anything. So, sure, the voice thing works, but you can't really do much with it. Let's try navigate. Navigate to Melbourne, Australia. Okay, and again, on the map it comes up. I mean, my MCU is slow, but yeah, so the picture of Melbourne comes up. You can't press the screen once again, so again, pointless, even though you can use the voice function. You can go through the menu, so sunroof, we did that, recent calls, display brightness, fan speed, temperature. So I guess you can adjust the temperature from here. So that's one way around it. Fan speed, same thing. You can adjust the fan speed as well. Sunroof, we've gone through that. Display brightness. Alright, I'll leave that one alone. What about this side? This normally changes like the radio dial. So not much happening there. Okay, well, okay, now so the MCU is shut down totally. No, it's sort of come back again, so that's something. Now definitely cannot drive off, so I'm going to put my foot on the brake here and I'm going to shift the pedal up to reverse. The car's off, so I'm going to unlock it. That's unlocked now, but even so, I can't shift the gear. I can't put it in park, so that's something I cannot do, which is probably a good thing if your car's undergoing a software update. You can obviously press the glove box because that's a manual control. Now, I can still open my door, thank goodness. I'm not locked in. I'm going to step outside into my garage now, and I can still open the door from the outside as well. Not just the driver's side, but I can open the passenger side as well. The boot still opens, so let's have a look here. Okay, that's very handy. Now I open that using my key fob as well, and I can close it again, which is great. Very handy to know. You can open the front, I'm pretty sure. So again, key fob, double click the front. There we are. The front has opened up. That's good. I'll shut it again. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it from me. Just a couple of things to show you that you can do a few more things with your car, even though it's undergoing a software update. I'll let you know what the software update is when it is finished in about 45 minutes or so. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, happy charging.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!